75 Solana is all you need to retire, and I'm going to be explaining why in today's video. Solana is holding a lot of value in the market currently, and it really overextended on 20th December 2023. Now, we've been looking at this ascending support line for a very long time, and it seems as though it had looked weak in the past couple of days, and it essentially broke this ascending support line. And we're looking at this breakdown point of where Solana actually broke down at about May 2022, when the bear market was actually hitting us, right? It was the prime bear market days, and Solana actually broke down from this $80 support line that it was holding from January 2022 to 7th of May, where it actually broke down, right? And that's essentially the point that we want Solana to actually bounce off of. So any of you guys who are looking to actually swing trade, potentially this could be a point where you actually go for a long, but of course it's not financial advice. Make sure to do your own research. Now, before we continue on with the video, I'd like to share with you guys a platform that is really solid when it comes to investing and growing your portfolio. It's really simple. It's called Cryptonomy, and it's investing in the new digital assets economy. Now, in short, the way it essentially works, right, they have some really insane APYs, earn up to 180% APY on your assets. Let's just say you want to invest into BTC and you want to invest to BTC. At this current moment, that's going to be $81,000. And in 12 months time, you will have a total of 4.462 BTC. The reason why is because of the APY and the ROI with staking. You're essentially going to be investing BTC and also staking it too. So in 12 months time, you will have doubled it, or more than doubled your BTC. And imagine if the bull market is here, you could be investing into these cryptocurrencies and also earning much more on top, or even earning more than a double on top if you guys are staking with Cryptonomy. They have some insane ROIs, which I'm going to be showing you guys in a second, but they are fully regulated, 5 years on the market, complete security and high quality support. The team is massive, and as you can see from the front page, a massive team over there with a lot of experience, backed by tons of influencers, major influencers in the YouTube field, as we can see, Connor Kenny over there, and a lot of other influencers in the YouTube industry. So yeah, they are backed by a lot of influencers, and a lot of people are using Cryptonomy to actually grow their crypto profile. Now, if you actually have a look at when you go inside of the wallet, you have the wallet, loans, exchanges, and some other stuff. Over here will be flexible, fixed, and launch pool. Launch pool is where you can actually have a look at other cryptocurrencies that have some really good ROI. As you can see, Moon app, 6.49x on the ROI on that, and there's a lot of other ones that have some really big ROIs. And it's a really good way to actually invest, and not only just invest, but grow your digital assets over a course of a specific time. Now, the way the ROIs actually work, right, if it's fixed, it's going to be a certain amount of ROI for a specific time, and it's going to be a fixed rate. On launch pool, I believe there is going to be very varying ROIs across a period of time, but yeah, a really good way to actually invest using Cryptonomy. Make sure to actually click the link in the description down below to have a look at it. But yeah, let's just continue on with the video. Now, Solana is currently sitting at $86, and we are looking for it to actually reach this breakdown point and bounce off of $80, which is a point that of course has been here for a long time. I've been laying it out. If you actually watch my previous videos, right? And I know in my previous videos I did say it could reach $150, but guys, look, it's still a possibility. It's always a possibility. Like I've been saying in my past videos, I know you guys in the comment section have been saying it's not going to reach $150, but I always like to say it's always a possibility. Whether there's a 1%, 2% chance, there's always a possibility, right, that it could reach $150. Solana needs to dip now for it to, of course, continue upwards. Now, whether it does that, Who knows? Because Solana in this current market has really overextended, right? This pump in itself just looks like it just wants to come down right from there on. Now BTC currently it's hitting 40.5k, and it's a point where it's been touching for a long time, so it may just potentially break into it, right? It may break this point now because it's been touching it for a very long time. If you actually have a look at it on the 4 hour, it touched it about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now 7th time. So it may just go back up a little bit and then start to break into it, right? And then bounce off of 37k. So it's up to you guys whether you want to put shorts anytime soon. It's a bit risky, I'm not gonna lie. But you know, it's just looking at the current market and seeing what it does right now. You know, you don't need to always go for a trade. You just kind of want to sit and watch what the market actually does, because it's at a point of uncertainty. We don't know what it's going to do. Will it bounce back off 40.5k and reach 44k in just 1 or 2 days? It can do that. It's BTC. We've seen it happen plenty of times, as we saw here. From 41.8k, it broke 44k in just 2 days, right? In 2 days it broke it, and then it went all the way back down to 44.4k in 1 day. So it's definitely a possibility that BTC could jump from here to 44k in just 1 day, but whether it does break it in 1 day too, that's also a possibility. So right now you just want to sit and watch. You know, it's the best sort of thing you can do in a market right now with complete uncertainty. But you know, in the long term with Solana, right, I really do want to see it reach 130 at least. I know I've been saying 150, but that's kind of like the maximum of what I think would happen. But I think the altcoin sort of the altcoin pumps are going to come really soon, because BTC has been dumping, Ethereum has also been dumping or starting to dump, and that only means that if Solana is dumping and a lot of these top 10 coins are dumping, then it only means that the altcoin, sort of the microcap altcoins, are going to they're yet to pump, and they're going to pump really hard soon. They're going to go for their second leg, like coins like Sidus, they're going to go for their second leg, and other sort of coins within that region of 50 million market cap to 500 million market cap. They're going to start to pump because people are sort of the way the whole market works is people invest into Bitcoin, right? They make their profits, they put it into Ethereum. Ethereum pumps, they make their profits, they put it into other coins like Solana, Gala, you know, coins within the top 100, essentially the top 100. And then once the top 100 start to dump a little bit, the micro caps are going to pump. So it's kind of like a little, you know, its own ecosystem, if you like to put it that way. But it's a really good way to it's something that you guys need to understand to sort of just time the market. I know you shouldn't time the market, but there's a certain point where you should be investing into either Bitcoin, Ethereum, top 100, and then micro caps, of course. But if you guys are a DCA person and you don't like keeping money, you know, fully, you like to be into the market 100% of the time, then that's fair. But in my opinion, it's about timing the market. You don't want to invest into cryptocurrencies too early or too late. And of course, if you are investing into cryptocurrencies that have good value, then sure, that's also fine. But Solana, currently we want to see it bounce off of $80, which is going to be a really good buy. If you get at least 75 Solana at $80, that is a solid buy in my personal opinion. Like I said, 75 Solana is enough for you to retire, and who knows. You know, a lot of people are going to give me a lot of backlash in the comments as always, but you know, Solana could reach 10k, who knows? Honestly, in the next 10-15 years, we don't know where cryptocurrency is going to head at, right? Solana may potentially surpass Ethereum. You know, I know a lot of people don't like to hear that, but it could potentially surpass Ethereum, and it could definitely do that. We don't know where cryptocurrency is going to head and the amount of money that's going to flow into it in the next 10-15 years. So it's just, you know, put your money into Solana right now, because it's guaranteed to be the cheapest price. It's not financial advice, but you know, getting 75 Solana, in my personal opinion, I'm going to be grabbing another 75 Solana at $80. So I'm just putting it out there. But yeah, it's been that's the video, guys. It's just a short one for you guys. Make sure to actually have a look at Cryptonomy in the description down below, and I'll see you in the next one. It's been Cryptoverse, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.